Welcome to Lazy Boy, Lexington, South Carolina. Today we're going to go over a feature that's on all of Lazy Boy's power reclining furniture, and it's the battery backup. This is an important feature to have in case you are in a reclined position and your power goes out. This will allow you to get back to an upright position. It's important to note that this needs to be done every 6 months when you replace the batteries in your smoke detectors in your home or after each use. This battery backup gives you enough juice to get back to an upright position, but this is not for everyday use. You're going to need two 9-volt alkaline batteries. And here's a feature that is special to Lazy Boy Southeast. With delivery, we provide these two batteries for you, and we'll install them and get your recliner up and running. The battery backup box is connected to the plug that goes into the wall. So you'll want to unplug that. You'll want to slide the cover off the back of the battery pack. Remove the dead batteries and replace with new ones. And plug the unit back in. If you have any other problems with your Lazy Boy recliner furniture, please contact our customer service and they'll be happy to help you. Please come visit us at any one of our 8 locations in North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia.